Hello students, welcome back in your SSC class. This is for third term syllabus. Today's chapter is chapter 14, Indian industries. We are going to learn three main objectives. Objective number 1, we are going to learn about industries. Objective 2, types of industries, and number 3, major industrial centers of India. Firstly, we have to know what is industry. Industry is a place where things are manufactured, where the process of converting raw materials into finished good in a manufacturing plant is done, where they are done in the industry. How industry is helpful? Because it helps the country to progress. Today, India, we stand 10th in rank among the most industrial countries of the world. What is the requirement for setting up an industries? There are many factors like the availability of raw materials, machines, place, power, water, labor, finance, transport, and market. And the basic needs of setting up industrial is the availability of raw materials, which are used in the process of manufacturing of the product. For example, cotton balls are the raw material for cotton industry. The second important is the machine to turn raw materials into the finished or final product. For example, tea leaves are processed into fine tea with the help of machines. And the third is the places. Places where industries need to be set up, because the right place is needed to acquire raw materials from their source and distribute the finished product to their destinations. And the fourth is the power, means electricity to run the machine for lighting in factories. Thermal, nuclear, and hydroelectric power are very popular nowadays in many industries. It is eco-friendly in nature. Many industries like jute, cotton, textiles, they require water as the most important factor. Therefore, most of the industries are located near rivers or water bodies. And the fifth important necessity is the labors. Labors included engineers, scientists, managers, and workers to run the industry. An industry also needs people who can think, plan, and design the setup of a factories. And the sixth important factor is money. Money is the most important factor for setting up an industry. It is needed to buy the land, the raw materials, machines, and to pay wages to the workers. And the seventh important factor is transportation, because transportation is an essential factor that is required to bring the raw materials to the factory and send the finished product to the different markets of the country and all over the world. And the eighth important factor is the market. It is an essential factor as it provides a place for selling the finished product. The nearer the industry is to the market, the cheaper is its transportation cost. Now, what are the types of industries? There are three main types of industries based on their size. Okay. Number 1, the cotton industries. See, the cotton industries are those where people produce different things in their own houses by employing few people It means that the people are engaged in their own houses with very limited people, very less people. These industries do not require large amount of money, and mostly they made handicraft, cloth weaving, carpet weaving, basket making, shoe making, shawl making, and blanket weaving. Second, we have small scale industries. These industries employed few workers and produce mostly consumer goods. They used small machines. The factories are producing garments, automobile parts, hosiery goods, plastic goods, furniture, utensils, electrical appliances, leather goods are included in the small scale industries. Number 3, we have large scale industry. Here, the people working in the factories are huge in number, and there are specialized jobs. Large scale industries include iron and steel plants, textiles, cloth mills, oil refineries, and chemical and automobile factories. These large-scale industries are often situated near places where raw materials, labors, and powers to run the machinery are easily accessible. We are going to learn the major industries of India now. In India, textile industry is the oldest industry, and at present it is the biggest industry in the country. Half the numbers of textile mills are in Maharashtra and Gujarat, and the textile mills are situated in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Solapur, Pune, Nagpur, Delhi, Agra, Lucknow, Kanpur, Amritsar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kolkata, and Indore. Here, Ahmedabad is called the Manchester of Gujarat because it has a number of textile mills. The first cotton mills in India was established by Kawashi Jawas in 1854. Please remember. And another important textile industry is silk. The silk mills are situated at Coimbatore, Varanasi, Kanchipuram, Murshidabad, and Bhagalpur. Woolen textiles mills are located at Ludhiana, Panipat, Mumbai, Mirzapur, Srinagar, Amritsar, and Jamnagar. Jute mills are located in and around Kolkata in West Bengal. The main centers of productions of jute mills are Risra, Titagarh, Nahati, and Howrah. Cement factories are situated in Sindri, Santra, and some places in Rajasthan. And India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world after Cuba. And sugar mills in India are located in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra. And paper is another important industry, and it is made from a grass or bamboo pulp. There are about 75 paper mills in India. Please remember, there are about 75 paper mills in India. Most of the paper mills are in West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. Newspaper and magazines are printed on a paper. Iron and steel industry is one of the most important industry in the foundations for rapid industrializations of the country. They are located at Jamshedpur in Bihar, Burhanpur in West Bengal, Rourkela in Odisha, Durgapur in West Bengal, Bakora in Bihar, and Bhilai in Madhya Pradesh. And electronics industries are located in Panchkula, Delhi, Lucknow, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, and Coimbatore. Shipbuilding industry are located at Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Mormugao, Mumbai, and Kolkata. Automobiles factories are located in Garhwal, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Jabalpur, Jamshedpur, and Nasik. Another important factories is aircraft. Aircraft are manufactured at Bengaluru, Kanpur, Koraput, and Nasik. India is the fourth largest producer of fertilizer in the world. These large fertilizer plants are situated at Nangal, Mumbai, Vadodara, Gorakhpur, Kanpur, Sindh, Barwani, Chennai, Kandla, and Visakhapatnam. Antibiotic penicillin is manufactured at Pimpri and Rishikesh. Other centers are Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Meerut, and Lucknow. See, industrialization is very critical for the progress of a country, and India is evolving into highly industrialized nations. Here we're going to talk about the importance of industrialization for the development of a country as a whole. See, India's industries are making all effort to keep the latest technology, because we need latest technology to build a good product with quality. So India has taken many steps to reduce pollution levels at the same time, and for the safe working environment in the industries. For example, public transport vehicle in Delhi have to run on CNG, not on petrols or diesel, because it causes environmental pollutions. So the industrials of today are using eco-friendly machines for producing goods. Because of these efforts, many cities has become eco-friendly and clean city nowadays. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.